There are two methods to attach the unit to the helmet. To decide which method is best for your helmet, you will need to look at the surface and structure of the helmet. We have the clamp method and the adhesive mount method. The clamp is suited for most helmets and is recommended. It can easily be installed and removed. If your helmet does not allow the clamp to be placed between the shell and padding space, either due to a thick beading strip or some other helmet-specific feature, then you can opt to use the adhesive mount.